Hey guys, today we're going to change the Honda Craftsman Lawnmower. We're going to change out the front wheel, and one of the front wheel actually is missing an E-ring and pinion gear. First, we propped it up on this brick here, and then we're going to take a socket wrench and take off one of the wheels. Yep. Taking out the left wheel first. There you go, here's the wheel with the pinion gear and the E-rings already in place, so no fixing to be done there. And here's the new wheel on the left, and then the old wheel on the right. The old wheel, the treads are worn down. You can tell how old it is. Yep. So now we're going to put the new wheel back onto the lawnmower. Just checking the gears to make sure it clicks in place. And I'm going to put the nut back on to the wheel, and just going to hand screw it in first, nice and tight with my hand, and then I'm going to socket wrench it tight. Just tight, hand tight, should be good enough. There we go. It's nice and tight. And now I'm going to go to the left wheel and take off the wheel. And this is the wheel where I know that the problem is. The pinion wheel and the E-ring is missing. As you can tell, there's no pinion wheel gear there for the front drive. It says on the lawnmower, so I put it back on or a new part. Put the E-ring back on to hold the gear in place. I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver and just hammer it in a little bit because it's a little difficult to do with my hand. It takes a couple of hits, and there it is. It went in. Just a little bit more to make sure it's nice and tight, and the gear is in place. Now I'm going to put the wheel back on. Now that the gear is in place, the wheel's back on, and I'm going to screw the nut on to the wheel. Again, just hand tight this nut as well. Okay, nice and tight. Now I'm going to socket wrench it in. Okay. Yep. Now start the lawnmower, and the front wheel assist is working, as you can see. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.